Hello everyone. Today we will study Echinodermata in detail. Question 1. What is the characteristic symmetry of echinoderms in adults? Answer. Radial symmetry. Pentamerous. Question 2. What type of body cavity do echinoderms possess? Answer. Coelomate. Question 3. Name the larval stage of echinoderms that exhibit bilateral symmetry. Answer. Bipinnaria. Question 4. Which system in echinoderms functions in locomotion, feeding, and respiration? Answer. Water vascular system. Question 5. What is the endoskeleton of echinoderms made of? Answer. Calcareous ossicles. Question number 6. Name the five major classes of echinodermata. Answer. Asteroidea, Ophiuroidea, Echinoidea, Holothuriidea, Crinoidea. Question 7. Which class of echinoderms is commonly known as sea stars? Answer. Asteroidea. Question 8. Which class includes brittle stars? Answer. Ophiuroidea. Question 9. Which echinoderms are referred to as sea urchins? Answer. Echinoidea. Question 10. Which echinoderms class lacks arms and includes sea cucumbers? Answer. Holothuriidea. Next, morphology and anatomy. Question 11. What is the name of the structure that regulates water entry into water vascular system? Answer. Madreporite. Question 12. What is the function of 2 feet in echinoderms? Answer. Locomotion, respiration, and feeding. Question 13. Which part of a sea star contains its digestive glands? Answer. Arms. Question 14. What are pedicellari and what is their function? Answer. Small pincer-like structure used for cleaning and defense. Question 15. Where are the gonads located in the sea star? Answer. In the arms. Next, physiology. Question 16. How do echinoderms respire? Answer. Through dermal bronchi called spindules and tubes. Question 17. Name the type of circulation in echinoderms. Answer. Hemal system. Rudimentary circulatory system. Question 18. How do echinoderms excrete waste? Answer. Through diffusion via body surface and tube feet. Question 19. Which organ system is absent in echinoderms? Answer. Excretory system. Question 20. How do echinoderms achieve movement? Answer. Through the hydraulic action of the water vascular system. Next, reproduction. Question number 21. Are echinoderms dioecious or monoecious? Answer. Mostly dioecious. Question 22. How do echinoderms reproduce asexually? Answer. By regeneration of the lost body part. Question 23. What is the type of fertilization in echinoderms? Answer. External fertilization. Question 24. Name a larval stage of sea urchins. Answer. Echinopluteus. Question 25. What is the autotomy in echinoderms? Answer. Self-amputation of arms as a defense mechanism. Next, ecology. Question number 26. Where are echinoderms primarily found? Answer. Marine environment. Question 27. How do echinoderms contribute to coral reef ecosystem? Answer. By controlling algae growth and recycling nutrients. Question 28. Name an echinoderm species known for bioerosion. Answer sea urchins. Question 29. Which echinoderm is a keystone species in many marine ecosystems? Answer Pigaster ocraceus called sea star. Question number 30. How do echinoderms serve as bioindicator? Answer They indicate the health of marine ecosystem. Evolution. Question 31. Are echinoderms protostomes or deuterostomes? Answer Deuterostomes. Question 32. What is the evolutionary significance of echinoderms? Answer They share a common ancestry with chordates. Question 33. Which fossil group is considered ancestral to modern echinoderms? Answer Helicoplacoidea. Question 34. When did echinoderms first appear in the fossil record? Answer Cambrian period. Question 35. What feature of echinoderms links them to chordates? Answer Similar embryonic development patterns. Unique features. Question 36. What is the function of Aristotle lantern in sea urchins? Answer Feeding. It is complex jaw apparatus. Question 37. What is evisceration in sea cucumbers? Answer Expulsion of internal organs to escape predators. Question 38. Which echinoderms can exhibit bioluminescence? Answer Some brittle stars. Ophiuroidea. Question 39. How do echinoderms exhibit secondary radial symmetry? Answer They evolve from bilaterally symmetrical larvae. Question 40. What is the aboral surface in echinoderms? Answer The upper side opposite to the mouth. Applied aspect. Question 41. How are sea cucumbers used in medicine? Answer As sources of bioactive compounds with anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. 42. What is the role of echinoderms in fisheries? Answer Some species like sea cucumbers are harvested for food. 43. Name an echinoderm used in traditional Chinese medicine. Answer Holothuria, sea cucumber. 44. How are sea urchins used in developmental biology research? Answer As model organisms to study embryonic development. Question 45. Which echinoderm is known to cause damage to coral reefs? Answer Crown of thorns starfish, Acanthester planki. Miscellaneous. 46. What is the term for ability to regenerate lost arms? Answer Regeneration. 47. What is the main diet of sea stars? Answer Bivalves. Example mussels and clams. Question 48. What is the role of ampullae in the water vascular system? Answer They store water and help operate the tube feet. Question 49. Name a disease that affects sea star. Answer Sea star wasting disease. Question 50. Which echinoderm shows a sessile lifestyle in its adult form? Answer Sea lilies. Class Crinoidea. Long question. Question 1. Discuss the water vascular system of echinoderms, detailing its structure and function. Answer The water vascular system is a unique feature of echinoderms used for locomotion, feeding, respiration, and excretion. It comprises madreporite, stone canal, ring canal, radial canals, lateral canals, ampullae, and tube feet. Madreporite, a sieve-like structure on the aboral surface for water entry. Stone canal connects the madreporite to the ring canal. Ring canal encircles the central disc and distributes water to radial canals. Radial canals extend into each arm or body section. Lateral canals branch from radial canals to connect to tube feet. Ampullae and tube feet. Ampullae control water pressure in tube feet, enabling movement and suction. Functions include locomotion, hydraulic movement of tube feet, capturing food, gas exchange, and waste removal. Question number 2. Describe the reproductive strategy and developmental stages of echinoderms. Answer. Echinoderms are mostly dioecious with external fertilization. Reproductive strategies include sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, male and female gametes are released into the water. Asexual reproduction, some species can regenerate lost body parts which can grow into new individuals in certain cases. Developmental stages. Zygote formation. Fertilized egg undergo cleavage. Blastula and gastrula. Blastula forms followed by gastrulation. Larval stages. Larvae are bilaterally symmetrical. Example, Bipinnaria in sea stars and Echinopluteus in sea urchins. Metamorphosis. Larvae undergo metamorphosis to develop radial symmetry and adult features. Question number 3. Explain the structure and functional difference between asteroidea and ophiuroidea. Answer. Asteroidea called sea stars. Structure 1. Broad fleshy arms continuous with central disc. 2. Tube feet are present on oral surface in groups. Function. Use tube feet for locomotion and feeding. Predatory feeding mainly on bivalves. Ophiuroidea. Brittle stars. Structure. Slender, flexible arms distinctly separate from the central disc. Tube feet lack suction cups. Function. Move by wriggling arms, mostly scavengers or filter feeders. Question 4. Discuss the ecological importance of echinoderms in marine ecosystem. Answer. Echinoderms play vital ecological roles. Nutrient cycling. They break down organic matter and recycle nutrients. Predation control. Sea stars regulates bivalve population, maintaining balance. Bioerosion. Sea urchins graze on coral and algae, contributing to habitat modification. Ecosystem engineers. Some species like sand dollars shape sediment dynamics. Keystone species. Species like Pisaster ocraceus prevent overgrowth of prey, preserving biodiversity.